Hey everyone, Gil or Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about, well, this topic's going to be a little big one, but it's home repair supplies. Now, when I was a little kid, we had a drawer full of little home repair stuff, and then we had a cupboard full of home repair stuff. We had spare parts to fix the toilet, parts to fix windows, parts to do screens. We had electrical outlets, switches, the ceramic thing for the receptacle for light lamps and stuff. We had a boatload of stuff. And generally we had everything we need to fix anything around the house. And usually when we used it, the next trip to the hardware store, we replaced it to keep those things on hand all the time. There's just, so many things if you walk around the house and look to see what you might need to fix. Now for screens, we actually had some, back when the screens were metal, we actually had little patches about that big and some loose wires, so you put it on there and you'd sew the patch over the screen so you didn't have to replace the whole thing. And so we had those. What else we have? There was a boatload of stuff we had there. Door handles. We had replacement parts for all the interior doors. We had rekeying kits and the mechanisms and everything for an exterior door. Just about anything and everything you could think of that you need back in the 60s to fix your house, we had. And a lot of people don't even, not only do they not have those things, they don't know how to do those things if they had them. And so that comes, this is twofold. You need the supplies, but you also need the skills to use those supplies. I've talked about it on my live stream several times about a book from Reader's Digest that was out back in the 70s. That it was like a legal piece of paper on side type book. So when you opened it up, you had big long pages with all descriptions on it. That is probably one of the best books you can get. And if I remember, I will try to put it down, the link to it on Amazon down in the description down below. But if it's not there, make a comment, say, hey, where's the link? Because it'll be right near the top of the description. And I'll put it in there and I'll let you know that I put it in. But there's a lot of things that you need to learn how to do to take care of your home, because if Milwaukee happens and the power grid's down and there's no fuel and nothing, you're going to need to know how to repair everything around your home, just like they did back in the 1800s. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. All the supplies you're going to need to live in a world without electricity. Also, skills. Start learning a new skill every month. And if you can, learn 2 skills. Because in a world with in a Milwaukee situation where everything's collapsed, skills are what will keep you alive, and skills are what will make you money or goods when the time comes to you need something that you don't have. All right? So, grow yourself. Make yourself stronger, smarter, and better.